これはこういう
So that's okay. That's
Okay, yeah.
そうそうそう重いのね。
Go for
重い
it.
重いですね。
重いんですよ。まあこうやって抹茶を作るんですけど、まあ非常に効率が悪いので、で今はボールミル、とかを使うんですけど。
So we are at the matcha mill of Mr. Sakamoto. This is a brand new machine that he just purchased in the last year. Each of these mills right here costs about 800,000 yen, so a little less than $8,000. So they're very expensive, and they're used to make the highest quality matcha. So the reason they're so expensive is because this stone is specifically designed to ground matcha, and it has to be designed very, very carefully to produce the best quality. So basically the tencha leaves are put into the bucket on top, and then as the machine spins, the grooves in the stone move the tea outward, and then it's collected in this bin right here. Lower quality matchas are made with a different machine. This is really only used to produce the highest quality matcha. And the total production capacity of each of these mills is only 500 grams per day. Many people wonder why matcha is so expensive. It really comes down to two factors: the cost of the machines as well as the slow production capacity. So only 500 grams per day per mill is produced.